Let's just do it. We're not messing about. You can do this. Hello and welcome to Freedom Life School Podcast. I'm your host, Paul Drake. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today's episode is going to be about manifestation and how you can create the life that you want right now. So, before we get into anything, if you can go to freedom-live-workshop, where there is a web page which you can have me coach you for 6 weeks for free. All you need to do is answer your number one question: how to reconnect with yourself and find happiness. That's all you need to do. And you get 6 weeks of coaching and live workshops with me to help you transform your life so you can reconnect with yourself and create happiness. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I want to make sure the course is, well, it's perfect basically. It's got everything that it needs to help you transform your lives. So, everything that you answer will help me make sure I haven't missed anything out. Once you finish that today, if you click submit, there's also a free gift that you go onto the next page. Put your email and your name to get the next gift. You don't have to do it. You can just leave it. It's up to you. But you get a 14 CD series that you can download to your phone, which is Your Wish is Your Command. It's an amazing, amazing CD series. And then you also get the 4 stages to success, what it takes to become successful. And you get the links to all the books and courses that I've read. It is an amazing bit of value, and I hope you get a lot from it. Now, let's get into the podcast. Manifesting wealth and health and abundance and everything that you could ever possibly think of today. Now, what is manifestation? Using your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs to get physical things into your life, which will help you either achieve your goals or it will be your goal in general. Now, how does manifestation work? Well, what you do is you put your thoughts and your feelings and your beliefs out there to things that you want in your life. So say you want to manifest, say, a car into your life. You want a brand new car into your life. So what you need to do is you need to think of the feelings that you're going to get when you get the car. You need to think of your belief that you can actually get the car, and you need to put your thought process out there to acquire the car. So with your thought process, you think about what you want down to either the smallest detail, or you can do it to be in general. There's a couple of different ways that you can do it. First is being very specific. So you want, say, 4x4, that's a Land Rover, that's got heated seats, that's big enough for this, it's got 5 seats. Everything that you could possibly think of, you get down to the specific amount. Next is being a bit more general, saying you just want a 4x4, that's big enough for your family. Or you can be general and say you want to have a car that is best for you. I personally try and go for more of a general approach because we don't necessarily know what's best for us. We might think one car's best suited for us, but we don't actually know that will be. So what I recommend to people is try and be a little bit more general and just go for more of a feeling. How's that car going to make you feel when you get it into your life? It's going to make you feel excited because it's a new car. It's going to make you feel safer. It's going to make you feel more like you're able to do what you need to do. So say you've got kids and stuff like that, they'll be able to be more room in the back. It's all about feeling and how that is going to make you feel once you get it. Now, the next part is how to manifest things now. How do you manifest things now? Well, there's 5 simple things that you can do. The first one is choose what you want. That's the simple first one. You literally choose what you want and how you're going to do that. Well, what you want to do is say to yourself, do I really want it? So once you've picked, you need to really say to yourself, do I really want it? Or is it just something that you would just like in your life? Do you have a burning desire to acquire what you're asking for? How will you benefit once you receive it? Will it actually make your life 100 times better, or will you just be like, meh, it's alright that? Next, when I think about it, does it feel right? You need to making sure that your feelings are there. If it doesn't feel right when you actually think about it, then I'm afraid it's probably not right for you. That is if you haven't got any limiting beliefs about if you're going to actually achieve it. Next, how will it be good for me and for others? So then that's what you next need to think about. You need to think about how much more benefit this will have in your life. This here will then help you increase your belief in achieving the goal. Step number 2. You need to get rid of things in your way. Meaning, if there's any negative people that are bringing you down and saying you'll never achieve it, get them out of your life. Or tell them, I appreciate your opinion, but that is your opinion, not mine. So keep your nose out. It's as simple as that. You don't need negative people around you saying you're not going to achieve it. Next is your own negative beliefs. If you believe you're not going to achieve it, you're not going to get it. You need to be starting thinking what you will achieve it and why can't you achieve it. That is the question. You need to be making sure you believe it yourself. And timing. If your timing isn't right, you won't get it. But not only that, we are very impatient. You need to make sure that you're letting it come to you. How many times have you wanted something and you've been stressed out, you've been angry, you've been frustrated that it's not coming to your life, you've not wanted it? Then you go and do something else for, say, a week, 2 weeks, and all of a sudden this thing pops into your life and you think, oh, okay, that's good. So you need to think about what you want every day, but don't think about the time scale. You don't want to force it and push it into your life or try and get it into your life faster than what it's supposed to. The universe will give it to you when you need it. Step number 3, visualize what you want. I say at least for 5 minutes every morning and every night, you want to think about what you want. You need to really get into it. You need to get your emotions right. You need to get your desire and be obsessed. Literally be obsessed about achieving or receiving that goal. It's as simple as that. The more higher your belief and obsession and desire is, the more it'll come into your life. Step number 4. You need to take action to manifest. Meaning, you don't necessarily have to do anything if you've got steps 1 and 2 and 3 sorted. Step number 4 is you'll want to take action because you know. It's like, here's something. When it's Christmas time, you know it's Christmas Day the next day. Yay, it's Christmas time. But there's no doubt in your mind that you're not going to get any presents or it's not Christmas the following day. So if you can keep that mental attitude all the time, it's like, yay, Christmas is coming tomorrow. Then obviously you know that it's going to come into your life because you're not forcing it. You're already emphasizing the fact that anything good's going to happen tomorrow. Keep that one there. So you need to make sure that your manifestation and you're taking action to what you want to do. And if you're taking action and it makes you put doubt in your mind, then stop doing that action and do something else. Because this is why I don't try and tell people think of the how, because it takes away your beliefs. If you're thinking that you want, say, £10 million, But then when you start thinking, how the hell am I going to achieve £10 million? That's when the beliefs go down. So step number 5 is recognizing and appreciation. What you need to do is recognize the fact that the universe is putting what you need out there, and it will give you little signs along the way. And whatever little things come into your life, or whatever big things, you need to show appreciation. The more appreciation you can do, the more good things will come into your life. If you're appreciative of everything, then hey presto, you've already won. You're already happy. So there's a few signs. There's about 4 or 5 signs to, watch out for as you're doing it. You need to hear about your desires. If you're hearing about your desires from other people on the radio or stuff like that, then that's a telltale sign that it's coming. Feeling excited. You're feeling like Christmas is tomorrow. That's a good one. You are seeing repeated numbers. You are hearing other people talk about your goals. So what that means that is you've not even told them what you want to have in your life, but yet other people around you are starting to talk about your goals. That's another one. Now the main reason why you don't manifest something is your belief. If there is any inkling of doubt, it won't come into your life. So this is where I get people to do small things to begin with. Let the belief increase, especially if you've got a lot of negativity and self-limiting beliefs. Start with smaller things that you can manifest into your life. And then as you get more and more into it and you start thinking, oh yeah, that's manifested, then you start increasing the bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And before you know it, you'll be a master at it. And hey presto, you'll be manifesting things in your life faster than you ever thought possible. Okay, I've yabbered on for far too long. Thanks for tuning in today. As I say, go to freedomlifeschool.com/free-live-workshop to get into my free course. I'll see you again soon. See you in a bit.